Hello, trucking enthusiasts and fleet managers. Welcome to another episode of The Tire Show. I'm your host Matthew, and today, we're tackling a topic that's at the heart of every successful fleet operation: the significance of preventive maintenance for trucks and fleet vehicles. Trucks and fleet vehicles are the backbone of countless industries. Moving goods and people efficiently from point A to point B, ensuring they're in top-notch condition, is more than just good practice. It's a vital strategy for cost savings, safety, and long-term success. So why is preventive maintenance so crucial for trucks and fleets? Let's break it down. Cost savings and efficiency. Regular maintenance is like catching problems before they catch you off guard. By spotting minor issues early on, you can prevent major breakdowns and costly repairs. Keeping your fleet vehicles well maintained doesn't just minimize downtime, it maximizes productivity. And here's a bonus: well-kept vehicles tend to sip fuel more efficiently, putting those operational cost worries to rest. Enhanced safety. Safety on the road is paramount. Preventive maintenance ensures that your fleet's critical safety systems, brakes, steering, lights, are always in peak condition. Regular inspections catch potential hazards and allow for prompt repairs. This translates to a lower risk of accidents and a safer environment for drivers, passengers, and fellow road users. Extended lifespan of trucks and fleet vehicles. Think of your fleet as an investment. A solid preventive maintenance plan acts as a shield, protecting that investment. By addressing issues promptly and sticking to routine maintenance, you're minimizing wear and tear on essential components. That, my friends, translates to a longer, healthier life for your trucks and fleet vehicles. So, how can you create an effective preventive maintenance plan for your fleet? Inspection and lubrication. Step 1. Regular inspections. Give your trucks a thorough once-over: exterior, interior, under the hood, and everywhere in between. Look for signs of damage, wear, and anything out of the ordinary. Leaks, loose parts, and strange noises? Don't ignore them. And don't forget to show some love to hinges, locks. Fluid checks and changes. Fluids are the lifeblood of your fleet. Check those oil levels, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Low or dirty fluids can spell trouble. Following manufacturer recommendations for fluid changes keeps your engines humming happily. Tire maintenance. Tires matter. Check the pressure and tread depth regularly. Properly inflated tires improve efficiency and handling. Adequate tread depth keeps things safe by ensuring proper traction and braking. From inspections to brakes, and fluids to tire care, our preventive maintenance checklist is a roadmap to keeping your fleet on the road and running smoothly. But remember, preventive maintenance isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Fleet Focus. We've uncovered the nuts and bolts of why preventive maintenance is non-negotiable for trucks and fleets. If you found this information valuable, be sure to subscribe for more episodes packed with fleet management insights and industry tips. Until next time, keep those trucks well maintained and those wheels turning. Safe travels out there.